Now, what's the biggest tomato you've ever seen? Well, this photo was featured in the Herald Sun today. He grew a giant tomato that weighed in at 1.2 kilograms. It's pretty big, but we found a bigger one. Check this out.
Thing on.
Ready?
You stay
Put it
there.
on.
Don't cover the numbers.
Can you see the numbers?
That's all right.
Let it go.
Δύο τετρακόσια πέντε. Δύο κιλά 485 γραμμάρια.
It weighed in at 2.4 kilos and belongs to Mary Anthony. I'm going to give this a crack. Dia Kamanolis. And she joins us now from Melbourne along with her daughter, Cara. Hello, guys. Did I get it right?
Yes,
Of course
perfect.
I did. I knew I was going to get it. Now, how long have you guys been growing tomatoes?
That's our first season.
Oh, no way.
You're kidding.
Are you doing right or wrong?
So what's your secret? Did you have some sort of fertiliser? How did you get it to be so big?
Well, well, first-time growers, and because of COVID, I didn't have my relatives and friends to reach out to for guidance and support. So I reached out online and I found Vasily from Vasily's Garden, and I followed his daily posts. And I bought his products online, delivered to me, and that's my secret. I basically followed him and used his products.
I think it's huge. What do you do with a tomato that big? Have you tasted it?
It's now sauce.
It's sauce. How many
Yeah,
jars did you get out of it?
making sauce too.
How many jars did you get out of that tomato?
A bath.
Oh, a few, quite a few.
Also a giant pizza.
But that's the important thing. Everyone told me to keep the seeds, so I've definitely kept the seeds.
Oh, for
Oh,
sure.
and that's what makes the next giant tomato, right?
Fingers crossed. We'll give it a go.
You could also have made a giant pizza. Would have had to be a massive pizza to cover that with that much tomato. Your dad has actually started a tomato growing competition. Who's the champ so far?
It's actually Vasily's competition, so everyone's welcome to join that as well. And so far we've got 1.1, around 1.1 kilo from memory.
Wow.
Wow.
That's still got a couple of weeks to go. I think the end of February, and then Vasily will call the winner, and they'll get the prize.
That is
I'm
superb.
the admin to that. I'm admin to that.
That's it. Might have to give it a crack ourselves.
Do you think?
Go a couple of tomatoes.
You've got a green thumb?
Nope, but I'll give it a crack. That was their first time as well, 1.2
That is
kilos.
true. That is true.
Let's see how we go.